Alright, so it's been a whole week since I got the 350Z back into New York. I got back into the Bronx, and as soon as I parked it, I haven't touched it since. So the next day I had to work. I hopped in the 350Z so I could start getting some city miles onto the clutch so I could start breaking it in. There's been a lot of controversy online about whether or not I should break it in, but that's besides the point. I'm just gonna break it in. So I wasn't able to start it because I assume that it's again the ground cable that got loose. Everything on the car all the mounts on the car are all solid mounts, so I feel like it's a lot of vibration going on, and everything is bound to get loose, and it's just like I'll probably have to do like multiple bolt checks all the time, which is fine. I just gotta make sure I do it. But obviously I didn't have time once I woke up to go to work and it wasn't starting. I was just like, today I have time, I'm off, and I can try to jack the car up and see if anything got loose. So get under here, see what's going on. Okay. Well, I forgot that it's hard for you guys to see the ground cable from the bottom, but it's not loose, so that makes my job a lot harder. The connections are all good on the bottom, so I don't know. This is the ground cable that goes all the way down to the starter. So I'll just trace it back here. Looks like it dips under it and through here. And then this is connected here. This isn't loose. This isn't loose. So really, I couldn't tell you what the problem is. That's annoying. This isn't loose. None of this is loose. Alright, so it's nothing obvious. When I went to start it, it wasn't even like it would start, the car would go all the way on, and then when I would try to turn the engine over, it wouldn't even click or anything. It just doesn't do anything after that. So not exactly sure what's going on. Thought it was going to be easy. Thought the ground cable might have came loose. That is not the issue. Next thing could be the battery or a fuse. I'm just gonna put the car back on the ground, and then maybe I'll try to jump start it, because I don't know, like the car turns on and like all the accessories turn on, but then it just doesn't, like once you turn it over, there's no click, no nothing. So I'm not too sure what it is, but I'll just try that next and see what happens. Car's back on the ground, so start it up. Try to start it up. All right, so look. I already checked the oil, by the way. I check my oil every time now. Boom. Looking good. 12 volts. I don't know if that's what turn that shit down. Jesus. Alright, so 12 volts. Clutch in. Nothing. Literally just doesn't do anything. Worst location ever. I don't need nobody telling me, oh, you can just go to the engine and there's like 2 little prongs. Cause those prongs don't work, man. I'm telling you right now. They do not work. And there's the battery. God. Is that even gonna reach all the way over here? No. Nope. Okay. I don't know why I just did that. Of course, you're in the way of this guy. You're good, you're good. I gotta set up this shit, bro. Alright, nobody's coming over here. Alright. Now, reverse this shit. Alright, unlock the goddamn door. Alright. Alright. Put the red, put the black on this guy. Take these two. Hold the black. Put the red on. The ground cable on. However you can. There's one car. You hear that? Does not sound good. Alright. Alright, now that one's connected. Let's see if this one wants to do anything. Oh, them voltage went up. Okay, so maybe I need more voltage to start the car. Not even.
Fix here. Today I'm going to show you one of the most common problems anybody who owns a car will face, and that's when you go to start your car.
Oh, that's not the problem, Chris. Come on. Just looking for a fuse now. This thing, I don't even know how to get it out because it goes up. Some genius fucking thought about it making it go up. And this thing's in the fucking way. I'm having a great time. Are y'all having a great time? After pulling this shit off and probably breaking it, the ignition, number 15A. Okay, see the top one right here. Oh, there it is. Let's hope I don't break it with this shit. Pretty sure I just broke something. It looks fine. The fuse looks fine. It's not broken. God damn it. Now that this shit is all fucking mangled, I still don't have an answer. This is dumb, bro. I just want to drive my car. Alright, well, let me put this shit back together. Look at all this shit, bro. Purple pins. Hey, what's up? How you doing, man? The reinforcements. Homie got the wrap snacks, bro. The height. Who we got? Which one you pick? Little baby.
All in.
You can't do that.
What is this?
No, you can't do that.
You can't do what?
Huh? You don't take it.
Wait, what is this? What is that?
This is my 5-hour energy.
Oh, okay.
Hey.
I thought it was tequila or something.
Oh, no.
I thought you taking shots early in the morning.
No, look. Not with the camera. The camera can't see it.
Oh, okay.
Now, look.
Hey, yo. Savage.
We're lying. We need to relax.
Road rage was a
What
little
you got in
funny,
there? You know,
But it was annoying because
breakfast.
there was actually these people bugging out.
Oh, bro, Jay always road rages when he takes long trips.
Was I road raging?
I mean, people on the road was bugging. Plus the road
He
rage
was road raging though, right?
Yeah,
He be rolling up on the back of people, right? He'd be like,
no.
I did. No. Because we had extracurricular activities and we wanted to make sure that we were safe on the road. I did not tailgate nobody.
but you would've.
I would have, but I did not.
When I stopped, I was away.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
Only time there was
it was the people's fault. It was the
yeah.
It was the people in front of you.
Only time that I was tailgating was when it was a Jersey tap. Someone whipped up in front of me and wanted me to kiss the back end. That was it. And then I backed off, didn't I? I actually backed off.
Was I whooped down?
Huh?
Was I whooped down?
I just want you to go,
No, I'm pretty high.
I just give you a ride here. You
got
gotta get back.
Kettle cooked to match the pants. You know what I'm saying? We out here, New York's finest deli. Not even, bro. This deli's okay. They did good this morning. They got a good cook this morning. Hey, what?
How come he got a bag of chips that match his pants?
That's awesome. Looks pretty dope, right? You got the purple. You got the shade. Do you like that egg sandwich, Fred?
You should have got it with cheesing.
Oh yeah, he cheesing out here. Double cheesing.
So what's the problem with this picture? Everybody be eating food except the fat man over here drinking liquid.
Well, you drinking what?
Liquid.
Oh, liquid. Wait, you got a sandwich?
think I said?
You got a sandwich right here, bro. What you got? That shit looks fire.
Buffalo chicken.
So look, if I make contact with the old pluggers, right, and then I push the button, I'm at 5 point plus. All right,
Say bye.
bye. Look,
Open.
look, you're missing it.
What?
Huh? You missed it. Oh, I'm on, not on again. Ooh. So I got something popping and hopping.
All right, so you don't know if that means it works though. Is that what you were saying
Well, no,
earlier?
Yeah, well, it's saying it has the continuity going through it.
So it's working.
Yeah.
All right, so it's
So
working.
when I push the switch, it's got something going through it.
All right, so the clutch switch is not the issue.
Maybe.
Not maybe. That's what this thing is for, right?
Yes.
All right, so this is canceled out. Clutch switch. Now we go to the actual connector, right? Boom, boom. All right, we live. I'll do some sketchy shit. Yeah, bro. Say it the technical way.
We're going to attempt to bypass the starter solenoid.
All right, so Roger's in the car. All right,
It's like I'm too tired for you to be stabbing.
you're just watching because you're tired, so you could videotape. Marty's got the Jag. And I'm doing the sketchy shit. So,
Well, you get on there, lead the wires this way. I guess I'll tap them together,
okay.
and then he can hold the GoPro because he's more
So
flexible.
Marty will show you guys Jay tapping the wires together. Hopefully it makes a spark. Some,
Oh, I wanna
some light
show you this
shows.
first.
Marty wants to show me a video.
In the middle of the video.
So we're gonna watch a video on the video. Let's watch this. shit. Oh, like as I was leaving to New York. Like the last time that it ran. That's a look at that tree though.
Yo, also the way I love the way your tires, like your wheels just go back. It looks like
Right.
you're floating. It's ridiculous.
Oh shoot, man! You ain't in New York. I use the turn signal.
Alright. Oh, I'm still from Delaware. Keeping my roots, you feel me? Damn, that looks good. Yeah, your camera's on point too.
Look, how you're just like floating across because it's going backwards.
Yeah, look at that truck that'll ram me though. Holy shit.
That is just,
Hey, yo.
that looks crazy. Looks like you got spinners on there. That's a,
Damn, that looks good.
I'm not getting young. I'm not just aging you again.
ready?
How old? He's like 59. They're both laughing.
All right, you ready, Roderick? Is it clutch in? Key forward.
He turned it up as you're trying
Key forward. Really? Can't hear you. Here we go. Watch your eyes.
Wait, but why isn't it activating the flywheel?
Exactly.
But it would still make a noise. Mm-hmm. Like, even if
The starter should have turned over. It didn't.
Oh,
that's the solenoid going. Ring.
So the teeth didn't do anything.
Nope. The starter did not move.
And that's supposed to happen?
Yeah. As soon as I touch these two wires together,
the teeth should move.
The teeth on the starter should have started rotating, turning the flywheel to start the car.
So the fucking starter's broken.
So just as soon as we jump past the start solenoid, it should just wind.